Walsh here with Westside Lux Living. Today we're going to talk about video marketing for realtors. Tips, tricks, and tutorials. So the reality is, even a really good realtor is still just a really good realtor who has to look for business. Okay, until you get on igtv or Bravo or $1 Million Listing, then the business will chase you. The trick is you need to become an area expert. You need to become an expert within the field. Now, how do you show others that you're an expert in the field? You know you're an expert in the field. You know your propensity for greatness within the industry. But how do you relay that message to others? So what we're trying to do is capture attention, right? So you've gone through all the hard work, got the listing, uploaded it to the MLS, and then, whoa, it's on Zillow, and Zillow's trying to sell you back your own leads on your listing. Now, how do we capture the leads and the attention, right? We're not on page 1 of Google. When I type in homes for sale in Los Angeles, you think I pop up? No. Zillow, Realtor, Trulia, Redfin, Purple Bricks, yada, 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 yada. A bunch of noise. A bunch of people who really don't care about the consumer, right? So what I want to talk about is how can you garner attention? Now, I know there's a lot of trepidations in starting your first video. What are people going to say about it? Is there going to be negative comments? Is my finished product going to look terrible? Most likely. You know, it's not easy. There's a ton of work involved in creating a polished video. But that's not what we're trying to do. What we're trying to do is relay the message that you're a likable person, that you're a person that's knowledgeable about the industry, a person who cares about my needs, right? Is this person gonna be really looking for my next house, or are they looking for their next commission check, right? So why don't we first talk about some of the trepidations in starting, right? A lot of people are worried there's gonna be negative feedback involved when they begin doing their videos, right? Because, you know, reality is the first couple of videos are not gonna look fantastic, right? You can go back through my feed and confirm that. My first videos are horrendous. So bad, right? But even those horrendous videos that I made did not receive negative comments, okay? I've done over 1,850 some posts, not one negative comment, okay? Not one negative comment. I've only ever received praise and positivity and moral support and people trying to encourage me along the way, okay? Okay, so now we know why to make the videos. So first step, what do? Smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, go to my YouTube. Video 2, we're going to dig deep into how to get the content, how to edit the videos, how to shoot the videos for IGTV as opposed to YouTube, and how do we get the impressions, right? It's one thing to make the video, but if you don't have followers, nobody will see it.